Hello, today is February 2nd, 2025. Just want to make a quick video of stocks to watch this up and coming week. It looks like Donald Trump just put tariffs on Canada and Mexico, so a lot of these stocks are dropping today. Also, we got Bitcoin down 5%. And, just looking at this upcoming week, this is an excellent buying opportunity. So, I personally bought Blackstone this week, ticker symbol BX. It's currently trading at 176.60. Decent place to buy in that company. If it falls, below 180, load up. It's got a dividend date of February 2nd. Excuse me, it's February 10th, 2025. So, just looking at Blackstone's PE 60.89 with a forward PE of 31.18 and earnings per share of $2.90. And Blackstone also pays a nice dividend of 2.23%. So that'd be an excellent time to buy this company before its dividend date. And we also got, just going over other stocks, we got Tesla trading at, let's see, it was trading right at over $400 a share, but it had a little bit of a pullback, and, it's been bouncing right there between $390 and $420 a share. In the aftermarket hours, it's actually trading at 402.15. I would definitely try to buy Tesla this week if it happens to fall. I think the best time to buy is at the end of the trading day. If you pick it up right there around 3:50 to 4 o'clock, you probably get a lot better deal. Looking at Tesla's new PE, it is 198.50 with a forward PE of 149.02. So now that its 4 PE is correct, definitely want to buy Tesla. It was 110 was the PE to 190 the 4 PE, which is not really that impressive, and is actually one reason I wouldn't buy stocks if its 4 PE is actually higher than the current PE. You always want a company that's expected to make more profits in the next quarter. Tesla's earnings per share is $2.03. And, this stock's going to continue to climb higher. It can very easily double this year. That's a pretty high expectation. But with Elon Musk, anything's possible. Also, take a quick look at nvda, which is my favorite stock to own long term. As everyone knows, it had a 20% pullback after the DeepSeek news. It's currently trading at 119.23 in the aftermarket hours. At this price, it's too great of a value to not buy in. Whether you day trade or if you want to own it long term. I still project this stock to go to 300 by the end of the year. So we'll just have to wait and see. Its PE is still 47.31 with a forward PE of 42.28 and $2.53 is earnings per share. And earnings is going to be huge for Tesla. Also, nvda has earnings per share. Just like Tesla was able to climb higher, nvda should do the same thing. It should go back to around 150 a share on 226. I definitely buy nvda now because it's there's just too much money to be made. So load up on nvda. Also, another stock that's just been really hot, Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT. It's continued to trade all-time highs. It's got earnings on on the 4th. So I personally would wait to stay out of owning Spotify until after the earnings. You know, it's had too much of a run up. You know, overall, I expect this company to go over $1,000 this year. So, you know, long term, excellent place to buy in, but it's just went up way too fast for me personally. You know, but looking at its P of 145.46 and a forward P of 90.56 and earnings per share of $3.77, can't go wrong owning Spotify long term. Great investment. You know, I personally would buy maybe a week after earnings, wait till around Valentine's Day, and just, you know, slowly add to my position. You know, maybe buy a couple shares a week, whatever. You know, anytime there's a down day, I'd definitely buy it. Also, Starbucks has had an amazing run with their new CEO. You know, there's a lot of potential to see this company continue to climb higher. You know, at $108 a share, it's a little bit too high for me, but if it has a pullback and pulls back below $100 a share, I would buy some shares of Starbucks. But you know, it's not something, you know, it's kind of like Nike. You know, it trades between $70 and $120 a share. So there's not a whole lot of profit to be made, you know, compared to these other stocks on my watch list. Another great company that has earnings coming up, PLTR Technology. It's currently trading at $82.56 a share. You know, this stock's easily going to go to 125, 150 this year. You know, there's, you know, this stock was on my watch list back in July, $25, and it's went up over 300% since then. You know, I expect this stock to go up at least 100% this year. It's got a P of 417.25 and a forward P of 412.45. Its earnings per share is just 19 cents. So, you know, it'll be interesting to see what happens on earnings and see what that changes to. But yeah, I would wait till after earnings to buy PLTR. But you know, if it happens to fall, you know, anytime it has down days, it falls 5% or better, you know, that's probably my favorite company to buy besides nvda. You know, just a lot of great opportunities. Then we've got shares of Eli Lilly, which has earnings on the 6th. It's actually trading at $810 a share. Its last earnings, it got crushed. You know, I'm personally not going to buy Eli Lilly till see what happens with earnings. Its PE is 87.61 with a forward P is 66.87 with an EPS of $9.26 a share. You know, this stock's been trading somewhere between $700 and $950. So right there, you know, it's kind of right there in the middle. But if it happens to fall back below $750, it'd be a great place to pick up shares of Eli Lilly. So, you know, mainly I'm just looking forward to a good earnings report. You know, their last earnings report was a disaster. And, you know, I'm sure they'll get things turned around sooner or later, but it may actually, you know, be somewhere in the third or fourth quarter of 2025 before Eli Lilly actually gets their company straightened out. You know, because that stock should be trading over $1,000 a share. And as everyone knows, Coinbase, you know, mirrors Bitcoin, Ethereum. So with it trading at $290.78 a share, excellent place to buy Coinbase. Wait till the end of the trading day, pick up Coinbase. If it falls, you know, below 275 or something, load up on it. This company is, you know, going to easily climb right back over $300. you know, in no time. So, you know, another reason I love Coinbase, just looking at its PE of 51.331 and a forward PE of 47.60. Its earnings per share is $5.68, and its next earnings is on February 13th, just around the corner. I would basically, you know, my strategy here, buy Coinbase when it falls below 270, load up and sell before earnings. You know, I mean, because it could get crushed because of all the volatility there. But it's personally my favorite. You know, I like Coinbase better than I do MicroStrategy or Mara. But long term, you know, they're all going to be very profitable. Appreciate everyone watching the videos. Please hit the like and follow. Also join my TikTok live between 8:30 and 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Still doing the Webull challenge. You follow my account, I'll send you a free Top Gainers watch list every morning. That's you know, critical if you want to make the most money day trading these companies that are going parabolic every week. I appreciate everyone watching. I'll make another video next week, same time, same place. Have a great weekend.